So children, today we are going to learn about general awareness. Okay. Today we are going to learn about general awareness. In that general awareness, we have learnt about our body, about our senses, है ना? About how to keep our body neat and clean. Those all the things we have learned in our GK. And most important thing is that we have learnt about ourselves, about myself. Okay. So children, after learning this all the things, the next topic is we need food. Which topic? We need food. Okay. So children, everyone open your GK book. Open your GK book to the page number 12. Which number? 12. And on the page number 12, you have to write classwork and today's date. Okay, see how I have written like this. You have to write today's date and classwork. Okay. So children, do you know why we need food? Why there is a need to eating food? आपको पता है कि खाना हम क्यों खाते हैं? क्यों खाते हैं हम खाना? Yes, to become a strong. Very good. To become a strong, to get energy, we eat food. Okay. So children, now I am going to show you something. Okay. So children, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन पे? Can you see a new window on your screen? Children?
No, ma'am.
Still not? Can you see? Can you see a new window on your screen? Okay, so children, see. So children, today's our topic is we need food. Okay, see, you can see the picture of vegetables and fruits on your screen, है ना? So many fruits and vegetables are there on your screen. Okay. So children, we need food to live and grow. Okay. See, fruits, vegetables, meat, these are the food we need to live and grow. We have to eat food to live and grow. Without food, can we survive? क्या हम जिंदा रह सकते हैं without food? Can we live without food? Can we live? No. If we do not eat food, we cannot live. We can't survive. Okay? We can't get energy. We can't do anything if we did not eat food. Okay? So children, we need food to get energy, to do all the work, to do all the things. So children, we need food and we need food to get energy to play. देखिए, you can see so many children are playing. Okay, you can see so many children are playing. So many children are playing in the park. Okay. So children, we need energy to play. है ना? Without energy, can we play? विदाउट एनर्जी कैन वी प्ले? अगर हमें एनर्जी ही नहीं रहेगी तो क्या हम हम खेल सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. So that yes, so children, that energy we get from food. Okay, to play we need energy, and this energy we'll get from our food, delicious and nutritious food. Okay, so children, see, there is a baby. Okay, there is a baby. देखो, हम भी छोटे थे ना, आप भी छोटे बच्चे थे ना, ऐसे छोटे से बच्चे थे आप. ओके, फिर आप अभी बड़े हो गए हो ना, है ना? आप भी इतने छोटे से बच्चे थे, अब आप भी बड़े हो गए हो. सो कैन यू टेल मी with whom's help you grow up? With the help of food. Yes, with the help of food. अगर हमने अच्छा न्यूट्रिशियस हेल्दी फूड खाया तो हम अच्छे से ग्रो हो सकते हैं. ओके, सी चिल्ड्रन, फूड हेल्प्स अस टू ग्रो. देखिए, फूड हेल्प्स अस टू ग्रो, स्मॉल बेबी टू बिग बॉय और बिग गर्ल. ओके, देन फूड हेल्प्स अस टू walk. Okay, food helps us to walk. We need energy to walk, and that energy gives us food. Okay, food helps us to walk. Then we can swim. We can jump. Then we can run. See children, we can run, and we can write, or we can read. Okay, so children, these all the things which we are. So children, this reading, running, jumping, swimming, walking, growing and playing. Okay, these all the things when we are going to do, that time we need energy. Okay, ये सब चीजें करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें बहुत सारी एनर्जी चाहिए, and that energy we'll get from our food. Okay, we'll get from our food, vegetables, fruits. Okay, and do you understand about this all the things why we need food? हाँ चिल्ड्रन, आपको पता चला कि हमें फूड क्यों चाहिए? Yes children, did you understand why we need food?
Energy.
Yes, to get energy to do this all the things. Okay, now see children, like human beings, all the living things need food to live. Okay, जैसे हम ह्यूमन बींग्स को फूड चाहिए ना सरवाइव करने के लिए, एनर्जी के लिए, वैसे ही all the living things also need food to live. Okay, you can see here the living things are plants, then animals, birds, insects. These all living things need food. Okay, ये देखिए बच्चों, जैसे हमें भी खाना, हम क्यों खाना खाते हैं? एनर्जी. ओके, टू जनरेट एनर्जी. ओके, टू लिव. लाइक दिस also, this all the 4 living things need food. Okay, तो कौन कौन है वो? Plants. Repeat after me. Plants. Repeat after me. Plants, animals, birds and insects. These all living things need food. Okay, these all living things need food. Okay children?
Okay, teacher.
Yes, now see, हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं बच्चों, आपको पता है वो हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? Whatever food we eat every day, do you know that food where from we get? Yes, we get our food from plants and animals. Okay, we get our food from plants and animals. You can see the picture of plant and animals on your screen. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So children, from where we get our food? From where we get our food? Yes, very good. We get our food from plants and animals. And children, now listen carefully. I'm going to tell you which food we can get from plant. Okay, now I'm going to show you which type of food we can get from these plants. Okay. See children, what you can see on the screen? आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes, very good. Fruits and vegetables are there on the screen. So children, these vegetables and fruits we get from plants. Okay. Vegetables and fruits we get from plants. है ना? ये सारे झाड़ों पे लगते हैं ना? We can get it from plants. Okay, so fruits and vegetables we get from plants. Then there are some pulses. You can see there are some pulses. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? आपके घर में होंगे ना ये? आपने बहुत टाइम देखे होंगे, आपने बहुत टाइम खाए भी होंगे, है ना? You have ate this all the pulses, है ना? Every day we eat pulses, है ना? आपने देखा है ना घर पे? ये सारे जो क्या है, इन्हें इंग्लिश, ये जो सारे क्या है? दाल है, और इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Pulses. What we called it in English? Pulses. Yes, pulses. So these are pulses. Okay, see, you can see a yellow moong dal, chana dal, red lentils, moong dal, then urad dal. These all things are called as pulses, and these all the pulses we can get from plants. 10:40. So these all the pulses we can get from plants. Okay. Then we have some cereals. Okay, we have some cereals. See, wheat, maize, oats, jowar, rice and ragi. Okay, every day we eat chapati and roti, है ना? Rice we eat every day. These all the things we get from plants. Okay, these all foods, fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals we get from plants. Okay. Okay children, do you understand about it? So do you understand about it? Which food we get from plants? Okay, so now I am going to tell you the food which we can get from animals. Okay, so children, this food you can see on the screen: milk, honey, eggs and meat. These all the food we can get from animals. Okay, this food we can get from animals, है ना? What things we get from animals? Repeat after me. Milk, honey, eggs and meat. Okay. So children, see, milk is a everyone please mute yourself so you can hear me properly. Okay. So children, milk is called as complete food. Okay. Milk is called as complete food. We can get more of the amount of calcium from the milk. So every day we have to drink milk. Every day all the kids have to drink milk. And do you know this milk from what? From whom we get? आपको पता है ये मिल्क जो आप पीते हो वो आपको किससे मिलता है? Do you know from whom we get this milk? Yes, you can see the picture here. Cow. Repeat after me. Cow. Buffalo. And goat. So children, we get the milk from these three animals: cow, buffalo and goat. Okay. So बच्चों, आप रोज मिल्क पीते हो ना? Yes. हाँ, very good. Okay, so every day we have to drink 1 glass of milk. Okay, so milk we get from cow, goat and buffalo. Okay, so milk is a nutritious and full of calcium food. Okay, it is called as complete food. Okay children, next food is egg. Okay, eggs. See, we can get eggs from hen and duck. Hen and duck lays eggs. Okay, hen and ducks lays what they lays? Yes, very good. And egg is a very yes, we can get more amount of the protein from the egg. Okay, yes, we can get protein from the egg. See children, now it's honey. The third part is honey. Okay, and do you know who gives us honey? From where we can get honey? From who? Yes, honey bee gives us honey. Okay, we can get honey from the honey bee. Okay, yes. Yes, honey bee. जब honey bee अपने hive में honey इकट्ठा करती है ना, तभी हमें honey मिलता है ना? Yes. So next is meat. Okay. So next is meat. We can get meat from goat, hen and water animals, that is fish. Okay. From water animals, those are called as fish. So many fishes. Okay. So did you understand about plant food and animal food? आपको पता चला प्लांट फूड क्या है और एनिमल फूड क्या है? Okay, very good. Very good. So children, now tell me, how many times we have to take a meal, we have to eat a food in a day? Yes, very good. We should eat food at least 3 times a day. Okay, हमें दिन में 3 बार खाना ही है. Okay, the first meal we called it as breakfast. Okay, जो first meal हम दिन में starting में लेते हैं ना, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Breakfast. What we called it? Yes. in the morning. Okay, जब हम सुबह सुबह खाना खाते हैं ना, सुबह सुबह कुछ तो थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का फुल्का खाते हैं ना, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? ब्रेकफास्ट. What we called it as? Yes, very good. So first meal of the day is called as breakfast. Okay. Then second one is we called as lunch. Okay. Lunch जो हम आफ्टरनून खाते हैं, which we eat at afternoon, that food we called as lunch. Okay, see children, you can see here, जो दोपहर में हम खाना खाते हैं ना at afternoon, for that food we called it as lunch. For what we called it as? What we called it as? Yes, very good. Lunch. And when we eat at night, okay, जब हम रात को खाना खाते सोते हैं ना, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we called it? Yes, very good children. We called it as dinner. And dinner we eat at night. Okay, dinner we eat at night. Okay, so do you understand about breakfast, lunch and dinner? So children, when we eat our breakfast, night. I am asking about breakfast here. When we eat our breakfast? Yes, in the morning. Yes, very good. In the morning. And when we eat our lunch, lunch, I'm asking about lunch. Yes, and afternoon. Very good. Afternoon. And when we eat our dinner? Yes, at night. We eat dinner at night. Okay, we eat dinner at night. And do you know, in between 4 to 6 we eat something little, है ना? कभी कभी हम 4 to 6 के बीच में जो खाना खाते हैं ना, थोड़ा सा हल्का फुल्का, we called it as supper. What we called it as? Supper. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now children, we eat this all the things in our food. Okay, you can see here rice and dal, vegetable curry, चपाती और रोटी, है ना? हम ये सब लंच में और डिनर में खाते हैं ना, है ना? We eat all these things in our lunch and dinner. That are chapati और रोटी, rice and dal, and vegetable curry. Okay. And children, do you know? आपको पता है क्या कि हमें खाना खाने के साथ बहुत सारा पानी भी पीना होता है. Okay. With this food we have to drink lot amount of the water. Okay. हमें बहुत सारा पानी भी पीना है. We have to drink plenty amount of water. Okay. So आप दिन में कितना पानी पीते हो? कितने गिलास आप पानी पीते हो बच्चों? Can anyone tell me how many glass you drink in the day? Yes. Okay. So children, keep this thing in your mind that with the food we have to drink plenty amount of water. Okay. हमें दिन में बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. ओके. So children, do you understand about we need food, why we need food? आपको पता चला why we need food? Children,
To get energy.
yes, very good. We need food to get energy. Yes. So, आपको पता चला फूड के कौन कौन से टाइप्स है, फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन गेट फूड, what type of food we can get from plants and animals. Do you understand? Did you understand about this? Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Okay. So children, on the next page, we have an activity. Okay, see children, on the next page, we have an activity. Write there, classwork on the page and today's date. Okay, classwork and today's date. That is 9/9/2021. 9th September 2021. Okay. So what is activity there? You have to circle what you like to eat and drink. You have to circle the food and drink which you like, which is your favorite. Okay. Yes.
Page number.
Page number 13. Page number 13 beta. Okay. So you have to circle those food and drink which you like, which is your favorite. Okay. So do it fast. Finished.
Somebody will take.
Then what all food you like?
Yes. Okay. Okay. So all are finished. So show me which is your favorite food and which is your favorite drink.
Sandal.
Yes.
Suji's favorite monkey. So what is Sugar's favorite?
Yes. Yes. Hmm? So you like all the food. Okay. So children, do this activity and we will meet after some time. Okay. We are going to celebrate a festival today. Okay. Do you know which festival we are going to celebrate? Today which festival we are going to celebrate? Yeah, okay. So we will meet after some time. Okay children. Bye everyone.